power's out. Everybody panic. Just kidding.
Let's talk about what actually works when the power's out, because you might be surprised. Step 1, your fridge is now a museum. Look, don't touch. Every time you open it, you let cold air out and basically murder your milk. Rest in peace, Terry. But you know what still works? This, a manual can opener. The hero of every blackout. Forget your electric gadgets, this little guy's the real MVP. If you don't have one, buy one on Amazon ASAP. The safety one is my favorite. Next up, gas stoves. Yep, they still work. Just remember, you gotta light it with a lighter or a match because that electric igniter, it's on vacation. But it's not too hard. Turn the gas on, light it, you're good to go. Boom, flame of freedom. If we're besties, you know how it is. Bathroom. Toilets? Yep, you can flush as long as you have a water pressure, which you might have for quite some time if you live in the city. But if you're on a well that has a pump, that's electric. So when you don't have power, you also don't have water. That's super fun. So what you need to have on hand is a bucket of water. We call this the gravity flush. Once you've flushed it once, you're out of water. All you have to do is pour water into the back of your toilet tank and flush. Easy peasy. Elegant, powerful, slightly medieval, but it works. Garage and tech stuff. Garage door. Nope, unless you pull that red cord and lift it yourself like a superhero, your garage door isn't going anywhere. So detach it from the automatic and just lift it manually, but make sure you keep it locked. Wi-Fi, yeah, that's a goner. Unless you have Starlink connected to solar panels, but if you did, you probably wouldn't be watching this video right now. So, unless you have a backup battery or a hotspot, you're gonna have to talk and play games with your family. Now, what does work? Battery lights. Keep a little battery light in every single room just in case. Propane grills, they work. You can barbecue outside, or if you have a gas grill inside your kitchen, you're good to go. And you know what else works forever and ever? Every shelf-stable meal on loadedpotato.org. So yeah, no fridge, no problem. You can cook, flush, and eat just fine if you know all the hacks and follow me. I'll teach you every one of them right here. Hit that follow and let's make power outages feel like spa days.